Hello everyone, welcome to Winresolver. In this video, I am going to show you the easy way to change default system font on Windows 11. If you find this video useful in any way, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Although Windows 11 also have option to change text, but it's very confusing. So let's learn the easy way. For this, we'll be downloading a nifty application named Winaero Tweaker. Head over to this page and click on the download link. Once you get the file, extract the zip file to obtain the Winaero Tweaker setup file. Double click to run the setup file. If you see Windows protected your PC screen, ignore it. This application is 100% safe as I am using it personally. Click more info and then click run anyway. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installation completes, double click to open it. On this screen, click agree and continue. In the application on the left side, scroll down and locate Advanced Appearance Settings, and under it locate System Font and select it. On the right side, you need to select Use the following font option and click Change System Font. Installed fonts window will open. Here you will get list of all the fonts installed on your PC. Select any font and go through the list. You will see the preview of the font at the bottom. Once you find the font, let's select this one. Simply click OK. Now you need to sign out of the system. You can do it from here or from Windows Power Options. After restart, the new system font will be applied. As simple as that. At any point you want to restore the default font, simply head over to System Font option again and select Use System Default. Again sign out to apply the changes, and that's it. This is how to change default system font in Windows 11. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.